back. I think.
It doesn't look square. Maybe.
I think so.
You need a flat surface to put it on.
Well, see, what we'll do is even if it's not square, you build
You
like
fudge
a
it. You fudge it.
build like a square piece here and make a table piece. That's a beautiful piece of wood.
It kind of is, eh? Compared to that rotten piece that looked like it should have got tossed on the campfire.
Yeah. Yeah. Beautiful. I'm glad we saved this. I can just take out all these pieces here, fill them with resin. We got this cool piece. Ah! That's cool. What colors? Super nice colors. Yeah, cool, cool. I don't know. I like that other. I like this one too. That's nice. What is it? Puts her finger in it. I can't help myself. Yeah, I know. Guess what we're going to turn this into? Well, you can put eyes on it. No, that looks great. Looks great. All right, that's Mad Dog Mountain Oats wood. I was going to cut some wood, you guys. That's the wood I cut. The small wood. It was scary. It's because... Oh, what? With the chainsaw, there's the chainsaw. It's too heavy for me. Well, too heavy for me right now, but never say die.